Welcome back, children. Good morning. In previous class, we have discussed that some physical properties of carboxylic acid and chemical properties also that involved, that is cleavage of OH bond, that means furnishing H plus ion or removal of H plus ion from carboxylic acid, and that is cleavage of COH bond, hydroxyl and carbon in carboxylic part. And today we will discuss another chemical properties of carboxylic acid, other rest chemical properties of carboxylic acid, that is on the basis of cleavage of RCOOH bond. Means here cleavage means CC bond, breaking of CC bond, and some substitution reaction at hydrocarbon part. Not in carboxylic part, at a hydrocarbon part. It may be in if it is benzoic acid, then in benzene. If it is aliphatic carboxylic acid, that in R part. Okay, children. So first we will go to that is this one, then substitution reaction. Okay, so first one is your cleavage of RCOH bond. Cleavage of RCOOH bond. Okay, so reaction, further reaction. First one is a reduction. Okay, children. So if a carboxylic acid is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride or diborane, if carboxylic acid is reduced with, there is a lithium LiAlH4 and diborane, that is your B2H6, then it will form alcohol. So you children see, if carboxylic acid is reduced with, in presence of, it may be, that is your LiAlH4, or you can give, that is your diborane B2H6, it will give alcohol RCH2OH. Okay, so these are the reduction process. Okay, this is the best diagram you know in previous preparation of alcohol. Okay, from alkene followed by the Markovnikov rule in the lesson of alcohols, phenols and ether. So this is the best yield due to production of or maximum product formation of a good yield. Okay, so this is one. Then next, that is your decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation means carboxylic part will be removed. Decarboxylation. This is your reduction. This is your reduction. Then this one is your decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. If carboxylic acid are treated with soda lime, if you treat the carboxylic acid with soda and lime, soda, that is your sodium hydroxide, okay, and lime, you know children, CaO, so combination of soda and lime is known as soda lime. Okay, if carboxylic acid is treated with COOH plus soda lime, NaOH, that is your CaO, to form first step RCOONA, sodium carboxylate, again soda lime. Process is continue. Okay, that is your NaOH plus CaO to form removal of this one Na2 COOO CO3 Na2, you see Na2 Na2 COOO, Na2CO3, and RH will be left. That is, RH is your main product, that is your alkane plus Na2CO3. This is a reaction is known as decarboxylation. Okay, removal of carboxylic part, decarboxylation. Then this all about the cleavage of R, that is your CC cleavage or RC cleavage. Then next we will discuss there is substitution reaction at hydrocarbon part only, not carboxylic part, at hydrocarbon part. First, that is your Hell-Volhard-Jelinski reaction. Hell-Volhard-Jelinski. help Volhard. Okay, Zelinsky reaction. It is one substitution reaction. Help Volhard Zelinsky reaction. Okay, so when children, in case of that is your aldol condensation, the compound which having the alpha hydrogen, the aldehyde which having the alpha hydrogen, it can be, it only that compound will go through the aldol condensation or ketone condensation. Okay, that is in presence of dilute alkali. But here, if the carboxylic acid, the carbon having the alpha hydrogen, that alpha hydrogen will be substituted by the halogen in presence of, that is your red P, that is your red phosphorus. Okay, and water. You see, suppose we will take one example, RCH2COOH. Okay, children, in presence of halogen, that is your H2. H2 is your chlorine bromine. Okay, that is your chlorine and bromine. Iodine is very less reactive, so it will not participate. Chlorine and bromine. Okay, H is equal to chlorine bromine in presence of red P, red phosphorus and water. What will happen? This is your alpha. The carbon atom which contains the functional group, that is known as alpha, having two alpha hydrogen. You see, children, there is two alpha hydrogen. One will be replaced, H will be added, and HF will be removed. Okay, so this one is your product, RCHHCOOH. And what is the byproduct? That is your HS. This is your Helm-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. Then last, another substitution, that is your ring substitution. You know, children, that is a electrophilic substitution reaction at ring, benzene ring, ortho meta para. Okay, you see. Second, that is your ring substitution reaction. When benzoic acid treated with halogen, when benzoic acid treated with nitration and halogenation, these are two. So when children previously you know what are the electrophilic substitution reactions are there. So when that is your benzoic acid is treated with halogen, that is your, it may be, that is your Cl2 or Br2 in presence of Lewis acid, that is your FeBr3 or FeCl3. So suppose I will take the X or I will take the Cl2, that is your FeCl3. Okay, then what will happen? At meta position, chlorine will electrophile will attack at meta position. Okay, children, because carboxylic acid is a electron withdrawing group, so it will deactivate ortho and para. Ortho para will deactivate. Okay, do not attack the electrophile at ortho and para, because ortho and para having the positive charge delocalization, but at meta is the neutral. So neutral having the more negative charge. So that is the electrophile will attack at meta position. This one. Okay, children. At meta position, electrophile will attack because it is a meta-directing group. Electron withdrawing group is a meta-directing group. Aldehyde, carboxylic acid, these are meta-directing group. Okay. Similarly, this is your meta-chloro benzoic acid. This one is your meta-nitro. In presence of H2SO4 catalyst to form NO2. Here is the byproduct is your HCl. Here is the byproduct is your H2. Meta-directing because carboxylic acid is a electron withdrawing group. So it will formation of, that is a partial double bond. Here is positive. Then the neutral part having the more electronegative, So the nitro group will go to that is a electrophile is a positive charge, positive repulsion at ortho para ortho, but at meta it will be attract to form the product. Okay, children. But Friedel-Crafts reaction, in this reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is we are giving the aluminum chloride AlCl3, which form the salt. That electrophilic substitution reaction, that is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. In electrophilic substitution reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction is not possible because aluminum chloride, the catalyst, we are giving a Friedel-Crafts reaction, that aluminum chloride, because aluminum chloride form salt with carboxylic part of it. Okay, children. So these are all about the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, which is the most important lesson of your organic chemistry. You go through details, the video explanation, and if any doubt, you ask me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.